Helicopter?
Helicopter.
Yeah, you made a helicopter out of the darts? That's cool. That's pretty clever. How'd you figure that out? Huh?
What's color, Kian?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I see that he's puzzled by why it's not balancing in the middle. It's on the red side because it's a stronger magnet. So he's trying to see why it won't go right in the middle.
What's color, Kian?
Okay. Yeah. That's pretty amazing. And now it's an airplane, huh? Helicopter. That's right. You made a helicopter.
A robot.
Is it a robot now? Helicopter. Okay, put it back together.
It dropped.